Hi everyone, thank you for watching my channel and welcome. If this is your first time, this is Perry Trade. So in this video, I'm going to go ahead and trade the April 1st, 2024 trading session on the NQ. So this is market replay, so I'm going to go ahead and speed it up to the point where I would have taken the trade. So I have my strategies set. So once all those conditions are met, I will take the trade. And you'll see the trade play out, and you'll see my take profit, which is 50 tick, and then break even at 50, and then also the second contract is a runner. So I'm going to go ahead and speed it up, and so you can see all the trades. So again, I want to thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and hope to see you on my next video. Bye.